Within just a few hours, water rose to the rooftops. Thousands were stranded. Streets turned into rivers. This isn't a scene from a movie. This is reality. A terrifying flood swept through China in the summer of 2025, the most devastating in 70 years. In July 2025, relentless rain flooded vast regions across central and southern China. Provinces like Hunan, Guizhou, and Sichuan issued consecutive red alerts for flash floods and landslides. Meteorological agencies called it record-breaking rainfall. In Guizhou province, floods struck in the early morning hours. Thousands were caught off guard. One viral video showed residents climbing to third floors, clinging to rooftops, as roaring waters raged below. In Hunan, a massive bridge collapsed completely in just minutes. Initial reports revealed over 250,000 people were evacuated. Thousands of homes and hundreds of thousands of hectares of farmland were completely destroyed. Transportation was paralyzed. Entire towns isolated. Some hospitals had to evacuate patients by inflatable rafts. Experts believe this extreme weather is a direct consequence of climate change. Rising temperatures increase atmospheric moisture, leading to heavier, more unpredictable rainfall. But that's not the only reason. Rapid urban development, deforestation, and blocked drainage systems have crippled natural water flow. In other words, humans are part of the problem. What happened in China in 2025 isn't just China's problem, it's a global wake-up call. Nature is no longer forgiving, and humanity must learn to respect natural boundaries. What do you think could disasters like this happen near where you live? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more real disaster coverage. Thank you for watching.